Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a TikTok account from any country easily. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Firstly, download any VPN on your laptop and desktop. I have already Proton VPN download on my desktop. If you can see this here. Now open it and select the any country. You can connect to it and it will connect. It takes about 3 to 5 seconds to connect and then it's get connected. Okay, now minimize it from here and then open the email you want to use to create your TikTok account. Search tiktok.com on Google. You can see that TikTok is login. Now you can see here login button. Click on. Here you will see more option to create an account. We will use email to create the account. Now mention your birth date and click the next. It finish loading, you will need to enter the username that you want to create for your TikTok account. I took a random name like Crazy TikTok and click on sign up. As soon as you sign up, you will see an option to choose ad. Select the ad according to your preference. And you can see that my account has been created here. Here you will see the upload option. Click on it. I already select my video. Now fill in the information according to your video and then click on post button. Okay, you can see that the video has been published on the new account. I created Crazy TikTok. If you can see that here.
Are they cops? No. Then use this.
Okay, bro. It's a very simple process. For more information like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another crazy update. Okay, bye bye everyone.